Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have decided to stop using Shopify permanently. You might be wondering on how to properly close your Shopify store. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna head to shopify.com. Well, all the way. This is where you should usually log in or sign in using your email address and password. After this, they're gonna give you this new window where we're gonna go to the settings option. Now, look for the plan option. So we have this option here. As you see here for my plan details, I only have 3 days remaining from the free trial that they gave you when you are basically just here first time. As for now, go ahead and cancel it. Just cancel your trial and your profile would turn from activated to deactivated. And that's basically it. That's the option you have for now. You can also, if you want to just delete it, you can take it off from your admin or your Gmail address. They're gonna ask you to choose a reason, select a reason for closing your store from the list, then confirm the activation. You must enter your password and confirm the action. And that's it. The store will be permanently closed. But if you are just looking for more options you have a problem with, you can basically go to this online store, look for some gems, look for some analytics if you want more info about your account. And if you still just having problems with Shopify, you can go all the way and look for Shopify support. Send them your problems and they're gonna message you with them solutions. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.